Back in high school, I wanted to pursue art and design, but had no clear direction on where to start or which institutions to consider. When I sought career guidance, my teachers couldn't offer much help. Art-related courses were seen as niche, and I was left to navigate the process on my own. This lack of guidance is a reality for so many students in Vietnam, often leading them to feel lost or even to change majors later on due to the early absence of direction and guidance. So to understand why art and design modules are so scarce and limited in public schools, we need to look at Vietnam's college entrance examination. The system is divided into two groups, general academic and specialized talent subjects. Each group is further broken down into blocks, each with a distinct set of 3 subjects. All high schools under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of Education are obliged to center their curriculum around the general academic subjects, while the latter must be sought in external classes. And speaking of external classes, students aiming for art and design programs must often look beyond their high schools for guidance, turning to private art classes that help prepare them for entrance exams. But here's the catch. Not all art schools share the same entrance procedures or grading criteria, so students have to navigate different classes specializing in different schools. This lack of standardization makes the whole process confusing and difficult to understand. Issue of differing standards. It's not just the grading criteria that vary. Many art schools also have distinct teaching philosophies and approaches, but there's no clear source for students to learn about these differences. Furthermore, students who already have been enrolled into these universities may find the environment not suitable for them, causing them to drop out and start again. Finally, the marketing issue. Many universities limit their marketing to promoting themselves as top-ranked, a term passed around mostly by word of mouth. This vague branding doesn't raise meaningful awareness, and it leaves many students without a clear understanding of each school's unique strengths or focus areas. One solution is to increase awareness in high schools, perhaps through clubs where students with similar interests can connect and alumni can share experiences. If you would like to send feedback and alternative ideas, comment below. It's an open conversation, so feel free to join.